You are so much talented that you justify your inactivity with logic, and that is going to take you out of your comfort zone. Hi everyone, this is Mahek Ali and I'm back again with another video, and I'm going to tell you something that is you are going to relate to it. You don't need more time. You need to stop lying to yourself. Because if we are being honest, you know it what you are avoiding. The one task that you are keep avoiding, the one work that you keep delaying, that one truth that you don't want to face. That is the thing that is controlling your life now. And you know what the worst part is? You know everything. You are just choosing comfort over truth every single day. Before we talk about solutions, let's expose a sign that prove that you are avoiding your own life. You delay the things that matters the most, but you kept make yourself busy in those things that is no longer useful to you, and using it as a reason to not doing the thing that you have to do, that you should do. You keep researching every day instead of executing. And you know what? Why you are doing this? This is not learning. This is just hiding yourself behind the reason. You tell yourself every morning you will start when you will get ready. You will start when you get ready. You will get ready when you will start. Every time you will say that you are that you are running out of time, and you know what? You are not running out of time. You are just lacking yourself with honesty of doing the thing that is too much important to you. You know what? How much talented you are. You are so much talented that you are justify your inactivity with logic. But deep down, you already know the answer. You know what? When you ask yourself what you are doing, you know already the answer, but you are just keep surrounding with the people, keep crowd around yourself so that you don't have to question yourself anything, so that you will get busy doing the things that are not good for you, so that you don't have to you don't have to do the things that are good for you. Why? Because it takes effort, it takes discomfort, and that is going to take you out of your comfort zone, and that will hurt you, and you are not going to get hurt. But you know what? That hurt is going to come to you forever if you are not taking a step right now. If you are feeling your comfort right now, the hurt that will going to come, the price you will pay is too much for it. You know what? You keep changing your goals not because they are wrong, just because you are lacking your consistency. You just keep shifting things. You start this and that thing is going to make you so much good. It's going to give you something very really good that is going to make you more powerful. But you know what? It needs consistency, and that is where you left off. That is where you leave the things in between, and then you will start something new, and then something new, something different, and then for your whole life you're going to shift things, and then in the end you will just complain. You'll complain, whatever I do not get anything in return. When you will sit with a lot of people in a crowd, in a gathering, and then everyone is taking and everyone is talking like, I did this and I did get in this return. I did this and I get this in return. I did this and I get this in return. And you know what? You are going to relate to all of them, because you also have tried all of the same thing that they have did. But you know what? What you have not done? You did not consistent. You was not consistent on it. They were consistent. They stick to their plan. You did not. You tried all of the things, and you know what? You will see that they have did this. You also have tried it. They have did this. You also have tried it. They all get everything they want, but you didn't. Why? And then you are going to call yourself unlucky. I am unlucky. Why it's everything happening to me? You are the problem. You did this to yourself. You are just going to give the reason to the luck, to the destiny, to the God, and then you are going to ruin it. And when you are doing it, when you are just shifting things a lot, when you are not focusing on one thing, and in the end, when you understand it, that I have to do the things for once and I have to stick with it, you will not find the potential then. Because the time that you are having, you have the potential, you have wasted in shifting things. And then when you realize that now I have to be consistent, the time has gone. Maybe you will be consistent, you will get something from your life, but maybe the time has gone. The time are not going to give you the same opportunity that is going to give you at the past. That is why it's saying time is very important thing. You have to give value to the time, because if you will not give respect to the time will not going to give you something in return. We are just wasting time like it's a hobby. We are wasting time like it's really common thing. Why are we doing it? Time is really precious, it's really important. But we are not understanding it until we get regret from it, until we get wasted it, until we didn't get something from the time, until we didn't get something from the universe, and then we are going to blame it to the destiny, to God, to our luck. We are unlucky, we are this, and are getting depressed, and then we are going to do more bad things, and that is going to make you ruin your life forever. And you will say you are too much ambitious. Okay, you saw something that is really good, you scroll it, oh my god, that is really good, they said you have to do this to find success, to get success, and you say, or you tell to yourself, okay, I'm doing the same, I'm going to do the same, I will do it. You are too much passionate, powerful, strong in the first, and then when you start doing it, it will not going to be fun with you. You know what, generational Gen Z, you know what the worst things about Gen Z, because they kept telling it to everyone, and is too much confident on it that you have to go with your passion. No, it's good that you have to, it's not like you have to go with your passion. Passion is going to change according to the things you see. If you see a different movie, I'm also talking about myself, if I see some different movie and it was kind of a crime scene and I wanted to be a detective, then I will see something and I wanted to be a doctor. Then I will see some other movie and I wanted to be a pilot. Then I see something different and I wanted to be this. You cannot do anything. You know what, that is how this happens. If I see this movie, I'll start it like, oh my god, in the return they get this, so I will get also this, I will also get this, so I'm going to do this. I will start it, I will put so much motivation on it, I will do so much effort on it, and in the end I will not get it anything in return, because it needs time, it needs consistency. And this is the thing you are not good at. You are inspired for some time, you are not good at it. You have to do what you are good at, no matter what is it. You have to do what you are good at, whatever the thing is. You know what, only the thing can make you successful, only that thing can make you successful. Otherwise anything will not going to take you anywhere. It is not going to take you anywhere. We have to do whatever we are good at, and then that thing is going to take time too. You know what, but you know what, it's not going to take so much effort because we are already good at it. You know what, we are just keep ignoring the fact, something that is built in ourselves, and we are not taking it seriously. Why? Because we are choosing something, we are just taking a thing that something that is really hard to do, it's going to give you success. No, sometimes it's not like that. The hardest thing to do is being consistent with it, and a lot of people are going to fail at it. You don't have to choose the hardest thing, you just have to choose yourself, and the right thing will come towards you, and you have to be consistent in it, and you will get success. You will get success. You know what we are seeing, the thing that because God has sent us to earth, it's not just because we only have to be religious to them, we only have to do whatever God has said. So we can only accomplish our dreams too, but what we are doing for it. That is why God has sent some rules. Every time there are two ways to doing it, a right way, a wrong way. That is why God has sent some rules to do it. This is what religion is. We are taking it another thing, we are taking it as another thing, a total another thing. And when God has sent us something built in you, we are just keep ignoring it. We are good at it because we think we are fool, we are crazy, and we are useless people. If we are good at something, this is nothing. This is nothing in front of the world. Why? Why? This can be everything. This can be everything because you are good at it. You are just ignoring it. You are just taking everyone else's task as in your favorite thing, and you see, I have to do this so much thing, this is so very hard, this is really hard, that is why this is going to give me success. No, this is not going to give you success unless you are not doing something that you want.